Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Pali Course Part 3. Lesson 2. Conjugation of verbs. Last time I already remind to everybody about nouns. Okay, don't be worried, don't afraid to Pali language. The conjugation of verbs, there we can divide into 3 parts: present tense, past tense and future tense. Vattamana, ajjatani or atita, bhavissanti. Vattamana, atita and bhavissanti. After that, all verbs we can divide into 2 ways according to voice: active voice and passive voice. Kattu karakan, kattu karakan, karana karaka. It's a mistake, karana karaka. But we not yet learn the karana karaka, only kattu karaka. After that, according to the person, Patama Purisa, 3rd person, Majjima Purisa, 2nd person, Uttama Purisa, 1st person. I think this one can remember, no? Can understand, no? The example now, Uttama Purisa, singular I, ahang. Plural we, mayang. Ahang, mayang. 2nd person, Majjima Purisa, singular you. Plural also you. Tuang and tumhe. 3rd person, singular, there are many things, no? He, the king, the merchant, etc. Any kind of noun except you and I. Plural, they, the kings, the merchants, except you and we. All are nouns include the 3rd person. This one enough to know, but no need to more detail, just enough to know. Verbs we can make the group according to the roots, dhatu. There are 7 kind of groups. It is not important now, no need to think, just enough to forget. Just erase. Okay, no need to think. Okay, this is important. Vattamana kala, the present tense. According to the pacha dhatu. Pacha means cook. Singular pachati, plural pachanti, the 3rd person. The 2nd person, pachasi, pachat. 1st person, pachami and pachame. Okay, please recite. Pachati, okay, with the subject, so pachati, with the subject, no? Subject and verb, so pachati. Plural, te pachanti. 2nd person, twan pachasi. Tumhe pachat. First person, ahang pachami, mayang pachama. Can understand? Remember the means? Okay. Suna, suna, sunati, sunanti. Okay, please recite with the nouns. No, te. Okay. Thape, next one. Okay, please recite with the subject. Next one, thapaya. Okay. Next one, to be, hoti. Okay. Next, okay. Now this is the brief explanation of present tense. Present tense. Okay. Now do you remember the similar verbs? Do you remember the similar verbs? I think according to the New Pali Course book, you can check, no? Remember? Example, no? Pachati. Pachati. Under the pachati, how many similar? There are many kind of following verbs. Kiriya pada. Gacchati. The page number 9. If you have book, so okay, no problem. Please listen. Gacchati. Gacchati means go. Gacchati means goes. Tithati, stands. Nisidati, sits. Sayati, sleep. We are very much like to sleep, no? All the time. Charati, walks. Dhavati, passati. Passati meaning sees. Bunjati, it is our favorite action, no? Bunjati. Bhasati, say. Harati. Kilati. Kilati means play. Vasati. Hanati. Aruhati. Or climb up, ne? Hasati. Yachati. Okay. Like this similar, all similar verbs under the pachati. Under the pachati. Okay? Pachati and bhavati. Okay. Same way, now paleti. We already to protect, no? To govern. To protect or govern. The similar jaleti. Jaleti means kindles. Now we are all the time jaleti, no? The candles, no? Jaleti, kindles. Mareti. Mareti means kill. Is kill. Kill the beings, no? Living beings. Kill. Oloketi. Look at the PowerPoint. Oloketi. Look at. Oloketi means look at. choreti, steal. Deseti, bricks. Chinteti, think. Chinteti, think. Pujeti, offer or respect. Uddeti, fly. Pileti, oppress. Pelano, oppress. Udeti, rise, sun and moon, no? Rise, udeti. Paleti. No, sorry, pateti, fall down. Tapeti, keeps. Okay, like this similar verbs you have to know. Try. Actually, no need to think about nouns, feminine or masculine or neutral, but just enough to know the meaning with the verb, nouns and verb. This is basic knowledge. Basic, because if you know the nouns, meaning of the nouns and the verbs, then we can understand the sentences slowly by slowly. We no need to know the more details. Enough to know the brief meaning of the sentence. Enough. Today, end of this lesson, I am going to give a small history. The history, but they have simple Pali words. I am going to explain word by word. Then we can understand what is the important. Okay, we no need to know too much deep grammar. Okay, now I am going to explain the past tense. Atita kala. Little bit complicated, but the complication too much. The verbs, no, the singular and plural under the third person, under the singular of the third person, there are four verbs, no, apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi. Okay, apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi. This meaning, so meaning already cook. Pachi, the pacha meaning cook. The plural, apachinsu, pachinsu, apachung, pachung. This also cook. The second person, apacho, pacho. Plural, apachitta, pachitta. Oh, welcome to class. But first day I saw the few. No, today no. Already me. No, not the brother. One of the brother and one of the sisters. Sukhi ho to Nibbana pacha. Sukhi ho to Nibbana pacha. Don't worry, this is a revision. Yeah, revision of the second part of the Pali course. Okay, please recite the Atita Kala past tense under the Pacha roots. Again, one more time. Okay, one more time. Okay, now the only third person. Please recite few times. Again. One more time. One more time. Okay. Usually, when we are going to read some sutta or some Pali sentence, we can see the common verbs. Usually, pachi. Pachi is a common word. Pachi. Sometimes the short, sometimes long. Always pachi. Pachi means cooked. And pachinsu and pachun. Pachinsu and pachun. Usually pachinsu is very common. Sometimes pachun also have. Others, not everywhere we cannot see. Only it's better pachi, pachinsu. Just enough to write down, to by heart. Pachi and pachinsu and pachun. Under the singular only pachi. Under the plural, pachinsu and pachun. Only three words. Just then others enough to know like this thing have, but everywhere we cannot see. Okay? You understand my means? Understand? Yeah, common words. Common verbs. Pachi and pachinsu is very common. Sometimes pachum also have. Pachum. When we are going to read some Pali stanza, at that time we can see the many different kind of the verb, because they want to make the properly stanza. At that time they use the similar verbs. Similar verbs. That's why we put apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi. There are four verbs. But usually pachi and pachinsu very common. Pachi and pachinsu very common. Huh? In the second person, pacho and pachitta very common. Pacho and pachitta. This one we no need to by heart. If you can see the twang or tumhe, automatically mind our understand. Oh, this is a twang. Because of that, pacho. Tumhe. Because of that, pachitta. Understand? When we are going to read some book, some Pali sentence, at that time, if you have the twan, according to the past tense, pacho. If you have the tumhe, pachitta. Especially, very common, the third person. We have to by heart very clearly. Very clearly we have to by heart. Others too, when we read, can understand on the way. No need to, earlier we no need to know. Example, the first person, pachami. This is the present tense. Same way, paching, the past tense. And pachimha. Oh, pachimha. Pachimha. This is very common, paching and pachimha. Sometimes pachimha. Very similar, no? Pachimha. If you know the pachimha, we can understand pachimha also same family. Same family members. Okay, please, you can mark in your paper the common the verbs under the pacha according to past tense. Pachi, pachinsu, pachung. Yeah, without a. So common thing, pachi, pachinsu and pachung. Second person, pacho and pachitta. First person, paching and pachim. It's enough. And pachim also sometime. Paching and pachim. It's just enough to know. Enough. Okay? Then you can mark your separate in one paper. Then you try to memorize this thing. The same way, the next one, the Suni, and Suninsu, Suno, Sunit, Suning, Sunim. Okay? Suni. Okay? Suni, Suningsu, or Sunung also have, but Suninsu is very common. Suninsu, and Suno, Sunita, Suning, Sunimha. Okay. Don't worry, forgotten already. After understood the Ola thing, we are going to give some small history, Pali history with the meaning, and later going to use some sutta. At that time, maybe people very very interested. Okay. Next one. Okay. Now see, tapesi very common. Tapesi, tapesum. And then tape singsu also very tape sinsu also tapesu both we can see. Tapesi, tape sinsu, tapesu. Tapeso, tapesit, tapesing, tapesim. Now tapeso, tapesit we no need to by heart. When we can see the subject twang, then when you read, okay, this tapeso means because of twang, tapesita because of tumhe, we can understand. Same way, tapai, tapaingsu, it's common. Tapai, tapaingsu. Important thing, third person. Very important. But everywhere we can see. Because so many nouns, no? Under the third person. Everywhere we can see. Because of that, we should know the third person very clearly. Very clearly we have to by heart. Tapai, tapaingsu, tapayung. Okay? Tapai, tapainsu, tapayung. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, very easy. Bhavis, the anagata, future tense. Like pachati, no? Pachisati. Issati. Pachisati, pachisanti. Very common. Very easy to by heart. Pachisasi, pachisata. Pachisami, pachisama. Okay, please recite one more time. Okay. Sunisati, sunisanti. Sunisasi, Sunissata, Sunissami, Sunissama. Okay, listen, no? Next one. Tapesati, Tapesanti, Tapesasi, Tapesata, Tapesami, Tapesama. Same way, Tapaisati. If you are saying Issati, always the future tense. You have to by heart the last part. You have to remember last part. The beginning one, everywhere same pacha, no? The last, yeah. Making of sentences with nouns and verbs. Okay, now the present tense, active voice. Okay, this is a very, we already practiced before, we already have done before, aggi. Okay, this. Now please listen, muni agging passati. Muni meaning the muni, the monk. Passati, sees. What is fire? Now see, the monk sees the fire. We already practiced before, no? Remember, everybody? Remember? Okay. If you need, please write down. Muni agging passati. Muni means subject. Passati, present tense. Eka vachana. Vattamana eka vachana. Agging, object. The monk sees the fire. Okay? Understand? Muni agging passati. The monk sees the fire. Muni dhammang passati. The monk sees the doctrine. Dhamma, no? Muni dhammang passati. Muni buddhang passati. The monk sees the Lord Buddha. Okay? Muni agging jaleti. Kindle, no? Jaleti, kindle. Muni agging jaleti. Jaleti means kindles. The monk kindles the fire. Okay? A small sentence. But we can make few sentences by ourselves anytime. Huh? Okay, next. Tatiya. Munayo senapatina agging passanti. Munayo. Munayo meaning? Plural. Why passanti? Passanti meaning? Yeah, verb. Passanti plural. Because of that, subject also plural. Munayo passanti. The monks see. What is the agging? The fire. With whom? Senapatina. Senapati meaning? Senapati, leader. Leader, no? Senapati means leader. Who is the leader of the Senapati means leader. Now this is with the leader. One leader, no? But all are bhikkhus going to see the fire with the one leader. Okay? This means, or general also can, no? General also can. Army general, no? Senapati. The monks see the fire with the general. The monks see the fire with the general. Okay? Next. Karana. Gahapati Yattina Kaping Paharati. Paharati. Paharati meaning? Hit, no? Hit. Who? Gahapati. Householder. Gaha meaning like house. Gaha means house. Gahapati means leader. It is householder. Household. Gahapati householder. And to whom? Kaping. Kapi means monkey. With what? Yattina. With the sticks. Very easy, no? The householder strikes the monkey by the stick. Hit also can, no? Can both, both. Okay? Okay? Next one. Aggino, Aggisen, Aggina. Gahapati isino aharang dadati. Dadati meaning give. Who? Who is? Gahapati. To whom? Isino. What is? Aharang. Food. See? Very. The householder gives the food to the hermit. Oh. Okay? What is forgotten? Huh? It's a revision, no? Don't worry. It's a revision. තේරුණේ? Okay, next. Panchami. Aggina, Aggimha, Aggisma, Aggibi, Aggihi. Gahapati, Kavimha, Aharang, Ganhati. Ganhati meaning take. Ganhati meaning take. Who? Who? Gahapati. What is? Aharang. From whom? Kavimha. Kavi meaning? Yeah, Kavin, who is sing like poet. Okay. The householder takes the food from the poet. English very easy to understand, but Pali difficult. Why difficult? All forget. Understand? Difficult. Yeah, this way can understand, no? Mm. 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 Next, chatti. Chatti means owner. Ownership belongs to somebody, no? Senapati Bhupati no maning paleti. Paleti meaning protect. Senapati, the general. Maning meaning gym. Money means gym. Bhupati no. Bhupati no, the. Okay, good. Kings. The general protects the gem of the king or king's gem. I think this one we already studied before, so no? Next, Sattami, on, in, on or at. Gahapati uda disming nahayati. Nahayati meaning bathe, take shower. Gahapati. Uda disming, in the ocean. Uda disming. This, yeah. In the, yeah, nahayati. Gahapati. Alapana muni. Okay. Bho muni dhamman dese tu. Imperative dese tu. Because we are requesting somebody to do this one. Please do this one, no? Dear monk, please preach the doctrine. They say to. Okay, now everybody has the paper, no? Some history. Okay, this Pali story. Okay, please, the sentence by sentence we are putting. Please recite. Pura Anyatarasming Game Anuradha Purassa Asanne, I is alone, Asanne Eko Nipuno, under the endota, Nipuno Lohakarako Ahosi. Next one, please listen. Ekasming Dine Anyo Sippakarako Tassa Lohakarakassa Adasi Sappi Bhajanancha Tandula. What is this? Ghatancha. Tandula Ghatancha. So Lohakarako Te Ubho Sappi Tandula Bhajane Sangikang Katva Sanghassa Pujesi. Next. Tato Bhava Chuto So Dhanike Kule Uppajji Vayapato So Attano Paka Kese Diswa Sangvegappato Sasana Pabbajjang Labhitva Vipassanang Vaddetva. Is it D-E? A no A-E-E. Vaddetva Nachiraseva Arahatang Papuni. Now you understand? No. Some words understand? Vipassana. Okay. Arahata. Okay, good. Okay. Now we are going to give the means. Sasana Pabbajjang Labhitva Vipassanang Vaddetva Nachiraseva Arahatang Papuni. Okay, now the means. Now you can read again one more time. Okay. Pura means like atite. Atite, in the past. Pura means atite. Atite. Pura adverb of time, in the past. Past, huh? Already past. Past tense. Yeah, last time. You can say last time or in the past. This pura means Pali atite. Atita, atita. Atita means in the past. Okay, in the past. Now they give the other adverb of the time. Ajja. Ajja means today. Suve means tomorrow. Hiyo means yesterday. This is pura means in the past. In the past. Again, already past. Yeah, long time ago can say. The long time ago so can say, yeah? Atita. Pura means in the past. Anyatara. Anyatara means adjective. Certain. Certain means one of. One of. Like we can say. Certain. Anyatara. Now anyatara means we can say anyatara purisa. Certain man. But anyatara puppa. Certain flower. Anyatara gama. Certain village. Understand? Now here anyatarasmin. Anyatarasmin. Remember the sattami. Sattami. Locative. In the. This means the anyatarasmin. Usually anyatara means certain. Next one, game. This means game. Game meaning village. Game means village. Now they are in the certain village. The anyatarasmin game, we have to use the one meaning together have joined in the certain village. You see, name of the town. Extra. Next one, Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura means city of the name. The name of the city, town. Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka one city, no? Anuradhapura. Anuradhapurassa. Anuradhapurassa means assa. Anuradhapurassa. Genitive, chatti. Of the Anuradhapura. This meaning, this certain village belongs to the Anuradhapura. Yeah. Of the town. Okay, understand? Anuradhapurassa means Manusassa. Manusassa means of the people. Same way Anuradhapurassa of the town. This is of the Anuradhapura. Okay? Usually the Anuradha means name. Pura meaning town. But nowadays Anuradhapura we can use one word. Anuradha, the city of the Anuradhapura. Okay? Asanne, adjective. Asanne. Asanna. Asanna meaning near. 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 Now you can see Anyatara means certain. Gama means village. Anuradhapura, the name of the town or city. Asanna meaning near. This is a stem nouns, stem meaning, no? Without any cases. Anyatara means certain. Gama, village. Anuradhapura, name of the town. This is a city. Anuradhapura city. Asanna, near. Okay, now you see. Okay, before. Now, Anyatarasmin game. Anyatarasmin game in the certain village. Inside certain village. Anuradhapurassa ආසන්නේ nearby the city of Anuradhapura. ආසන්නේ nearby. Nearby city of Anuradhapura. Okay. Next one. Eka. Eka means one. One person. One. Nipuna. Nipuna meaning adjective. Clever, skillful. Skill. Who is the clever? Nipuna. Now, you see, Eka Nipuna. Usually, Eko. Puriso. Like, no? Eko means Puriso. Subject. One is the object. So the subject, no? Clever. Patama. Subject. Okay. Nipuno. Nipuno means Nipuna is a stem. Stem means clever. Nipuno. Like Puriso. Like Naro. Like Buddho. This is a nominative. This is the patama. The subject. Loha karaka. This is loha karako. But they have Chinese also, don't worry. Blacksmith. Who is making the iron thing? Who is making the iron thing? Yeah. Blacksmith. This means Eka Nipuna Loha Karaka. Yeah, but together we have to join one subject. Eko Nipuno Loha Karako. Ahosi, past tense. Hoti. Remember? Was. There was. Ahosi means Hoti. No? Hoti, Honti, Hosi, same way, Ahosi. Past tense. Ahosi. Ahosi means there was. Now, you see, in the past, there was a clever blacksmith in a certain village near to the city of Anuradhapura. Check word by word meaning again. Pura. Now, Pura means in the past. Ahosi, there was. You see now, Pali, the Pali sentence, after that, if you want to make the means of the sentence, we have to opposite some words. We have to change. Pura, in the past. Ahosi, there was. Eko Nipuno Loha Karako. A clever blacksmith. Okay? Anyatarasmin game. In a certain village. Asanne Anuradhapurasa. Near to the city of Anuradhapura. Okay, one more time. Word by word mean, please tell. Word by word. Mean? Pura means? Ahosi means? Eko Nipuno Lohakarako. Anyatarasmin game. Asanne Anuradhapurassa. Okay, Anuradhapura of Anuradhapura, the city of Anuradhapura. Next sentence. Eka means okay. Dina. Now we know the eka meaning one, no? One. Dina meaning day. Ekasmin dine, one day, in the one day. Anya means another. Anya. Yeah. Sippakaraka, craftsman. Who is Sippakaraka? Who is the disciple of this blacksmith? One of the disciple who is study under him. This is your Sippakaraka means. I don't know Chinese. Tassa means to him. To him, tassa. Tassa means to him. To him. This meaning, now he going to offer something to his teacher. Tassa means his teacher, Lohakaraka, blacksmith. Who is the receiver? To him meaning to the blacksmith. Adasi means past tense. Remember? Dadati means present tense. Give. Adasi gave. Past tense. Sappi meaning ghee. Sappi meaning ghee. Bhajana meaning container. This is one of the ghee container. Yeah. Cha means and. Gata meaning pot. Tandula means Tandula meaning rice grain, not the ghee, rice grain. Tandula means rice grain. Please write down. Rice grain, tandula. Now see, ekasmin dine, one day. Anya sippakaraka. This means anyo sippakarako, same vibhakti, no? Another craftsman or disciple of the blacksmith. Tassa meaning to the teacher, to him. This meaning to the blacksmith. This means tassa lohakaraka. Now they have no meaning. Tassa lohakaraka. Lohakaraka means lohakara means blacksmith. To the blacksmith. Tassa lohakaraka. The same, but like this to him. To him also can. To the blacksmith also can. But the same together we use the one meaning. Tassa lohakaraka. Because the example of tassa meaning anybody can say, no? Tassa, to him, no? But he want to offer only for his teacher. That's why tassa lohakaras, they use the two verb, two nouns. Tassa meaning the pronoun tassa. We not yet teach, but I already passed, but next day I will explain. Tassa lohakarakasa means to him or to the blacksmith. Sappi bhajanancha, a container of ghee. A container of the ghee. Cha means and tandula gatancha, the pot of rice grain. Sorry? Tandula means rice grain. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Gata means pot. This is one of the pot of the rice grain. Now adasi means gave. One day. Ekasmin dine means one day. Anyo sippakarako, another craftsman. Adasi gave. Tassa lohakarakasa, to him or to the blacksmith. Sappi bhajanan, a container of ghee, and tandula gatan, pot of the rice grain. But they have the church two place, no? But we have to use only one end enough. No need to you put the two place end. This is the according to the Pali the system. Example now, ahang puppanicha phalanicha buddhang pujemi. Ahang means I. Pujemi, offer. Buddhang, to the Buddha. Puppanicha, puppa, flowers. Phalanicha, fruits. This both will church, but enough one end, no? Flowers and fruits. Understand? Okay, please write down this sentence. Ahang puppanicha. Can write down? Puppanicha. Yeah. Separate. Now we can see two place cha, no? Why we put the two place cha? Why we put the two place cha? To the, according to the Pali, to the easy to the pronunciation. To the pronounce, easy to recite very smoothly. No? Ahang puppanicha palani buddhang pujemi, so can. But ahang puppanicha palanicha buddhang pujemi, it is very polite. Puppanicha palanicha. Okay. Now example, ahang puppanicha palani buddhang pujemi. Oh, so can. Ahang puppanicha phalanicha buddhang pujemi, also can. But if we can see the two place cha, but we have to put, because the meaning only one cha we have to use. Example now, I offer to the Buddha flowers and fruits and. This not nice. No need two place and no.
Explain this. Sakti baca nance. So I think a lot of people do not know.
Okay.
The two was together.
Okay. Now this place I already separately I put the ch. Here also separately I put the ch, no? Okay. Now according to the this sentence, sappi bhajanancha tandula gatancha. Okay. This is a sappi bhajanang cha. So normal. Okay. If someone want to put the cha separately, we have to write them like this way. Sappi bhajanang cha. Okay. If you want to put the cha separately, tandula gatang cha. Understand? It's better you write down like this way. Okay, under the sappi bhajanang cha tandula gatang cha. Sappi bhajanang cha tandula gatang cha, like Pupani cha, Palani cha. Okay? Okay. The one thing. If you want to put cha nearby the ang, at that ang, we have to change to another alphabet, another letter. This is we call combination. This is now they separately, no? They are separately stay, no? Separately. But if you want to join the cha, at that time this one change to the nya. Nya. Understand?
And they also pronounce tang.
Yeah. This is a bhajanang cha. Gatang cha. If you put bhajanang cha, little bit pronunciation also different. At the time, this example now without the joint, we can pronounce separately. Sappi bhajanang cha. At that time we have the short destination. Short tandula bhajanang cha. But if you after join sappi bhajanang cha, we no need to keep the we no need to the stop the between the cha and ang. We no need to stop. We can recite all together. Understand? Okay, the both way correct, huh? Both way. Sappi bhajanang cha also can. Sappi bhajanang cha also can. Tandula gatang cha also can. Tandula gatang cha also can. Okay. This is the system of the Pali. Example now you see the you are not familiar some sutta. If you are familiar with the sutta, you can see example now the Evaං me sutaං ekaං samayaං bhagavā Vārāṇasiyaṃ viharati jetavane anāthapindikassa ārāme. This is sentence. Evaං me sutaṃ. One sentence already finished. Evaං me sutaṃ. I have heard. Ekaṃ samayaṃ bhagavā. The Bhagava, the Lord Buddha. Ekaṃ samayaṃ, one day. Viharati. Viharati is a verb, no? Viharati. Ekaṃ samayaṃ bhagavā viharati is a verb. Usually verb have to come end of the sentence, no? But usually the according to the if the according to pronounce the if we want the recite the very smoothly at that time, our Lord Buddha is like this way. That's why the direct we cannot get the meaning of the sentence. We have to change the verb nouns. We have to change. Viharati jetavane anāthapindikassa ārāme. In the Jetavana monastery of the Anathapindika millionaire. No, the Viharati. Same way, adasa we can put end of the sentence. Okay. But this is a way to the this way to the Pali system. Ekasmiන් dine añño sippakārako tassa lohakārakassa sappi bhājanaṃ ca tandula gataṃ ca adāsi. Now, according to the English meaning, one day another craftsman gave to him a container of ghee and pot of rice grain. Now, according to English, we have to put ekasmin dine añño sippakārako adāsi tassa lohakārakassa sappi bhājanaṃ ca tandula gataṃ ca. The according English word by word meaning. One day, ekasmin dine, another craftsman, añño sippakārako, gave adāsi tassa lohakārakassa to him, sappi bhājanaṃ ca, a container of ghee and tandula gataṃ, pot of rice grain. Okay, understand? Next. So lohakārako te ubho sappi tandula bhājane. Now you see. Now example. Okay, word by word meaning. First. So means he. He meaning who is receiver? Blacksmith. Te means what is he receive? Plural. Those things. This means plural, no? Te means plural. Why? He received two items. He received two items, ghee and rice grain. The two items. Now, according to Pali, we have to all the time. So lohakārako sappi bhājanaṃ and tandula gataṃ ca ubo is not so nice. Now they want to make the short. We have to the short word. Now those are two things they put together. Te means those things. Ubho. Okay, next one. Ubho meaning both. Okay, now the Katva means karoti. Karoti means Pali. The karoti verb. Karoti to do. Karoti meaning to do. This is a present tense. And the kari means past tense. Did. Karissati Karati meaning will do. Past participle, katva, having done. Actually, I already passed this lesson. Next time I will explain katva. Katva means having done, katva. Now, example, karoti, the present tense. Kari, past tense. Karisati, future tense. Katva, having done. Okay, now this is very easy to understand. Now, so meaning he, who, lohakarako, so lohakarako, the blacksmith. Okay, now we can say without lohakarako, so we enough so also enough to understand. But because now we are still beginner. Because of that, we have to put together. So lohakarako, this blacksmith, the blacksmith. Te ubho sappi tandula bhajane sangikang katva sanghassa pujesi. Okay. Sorry. Now the especially please pay attention. Sappi tandula bhajane. Usually we use sappi tandula bhajanang. This one container, and tandula one container. But they together join sappi tandula bhajane. Like puriso purisa, purisang purise. Okay, bhajane. Usually the bhajan is the neuter, the napunsakalinga. Bhajanang, bhajanani. Bhajanang, bhajane. Now, accusative, plural, bhajane. Now, sappi tandula bhajane. Ghee and rice grain container. Sangikang katva, having done sangha. This meaning he before offered to sangha, he already make the sangika property. This example now, I receive this one from the lay people. Okay, this is my personal thing, my personal items. If I want to offer to sangha, I think by my this one sangha property. Okay, I keep separately. This sangikang katto, having done the sangha. Later, but today no time to offer for me. But I keep separately. This is I want to offer to sangha. Example now, you are cooking rice and curries over there. No? At that time, still your property. But you are going to keep separately put in the table, divide. This is for the Buddha, this is for the Sangha. Atara Sangikang Katva. Having done to the Sangha, This is separately we keep, separately put the Sangha property. That's why we call Sangikang Katva. Sangikang Katva means having done to the Sangha. The Sangha property, they make separately Sangha property. Having done. Okay? After that, you one by one offer to the Sangha. Now, offer to the Sangha. Sanghasa means to the Sangha. Pujesi means Pujesi offered. Already past tense. Pujeti offer. Present tense. Pujesi past tense. Offered. Okay, word by word mean please check. So Lohakarako, the blacksmith, Te Ubho Sappi Tandula Bhajane, those both things, the short meaning. If you want to make the bigger, if you want to those both ghee and rice grain containers, Sangikang Katva, having done to the Sangha. He already keep the separate Sangha and to offer to the Sangha. Okay? Understand? Next one. Now this means the blacksmith, he lived nearby the Anuradhapura city. One day he received some properties from his disciple. After that he thought, oh, this one valuable thing, I no need to use, I can offer to the Sangha. This is a good opportunity for me. Then he offered to the Sangha. This means he collect the good merits, good kusala karma, no? After that, Tato Bhava Chuto So Danike Kule Upajji. Tato means indeclinable, no? From that, after. Tato means after that. After that. This meaning later. After. Tato. Bhava meaning existence, no? Life. Chutto meaning death. Danike meaning rice person, rich person who has good wealth, property. Kula meaning family, caste. Uppajjati, arising. Uppajjati, present tense. No, uppajji, like pachi, remember? Pachati, pachi. Uppajjati, uppajji, like pachi. Now pachi meaning already cook, past tense. Uppajji also arise, the arose, the born, the reborn. Uppajjati, uppajji. Okay, now see. Okay, now the Tato Bhava Chuto. Tato Chuto Bhava. Tato Chuto, after the death. Bhava meaning from the existence, from the life. It's better from, not of. It's from that life also can, from. And so meaning this is now the blacksmith, he already passed away now. He already died. That's why Tato Bhava Chuto, after the death of his life. So he Uppajji, he was reborn. Danike Kule, in the wealthy or rich family. This is his second life. He reborn in the good family. Because of his merit, no? In the nearly dead moment, arise this kusala mind. Because of that, he reborn in the good and wealth family. Vayappatto so attano paka kese disva Sangvegappatto. Vaya means old age. Old age. Age. Vayappatto, old age. So, and patto means you see, obtain, having reached. This means he already old age means he reached to the old age. Atta meaning self. One owns. Attano means one owns. Disva, having seen, past participle. Now, disva. Disva, having seen. Paka, ripening. Paka meaning like example now, the fruits. Fruits, paka fruits meaning, same way, kesa meaning hair. Hair, now paka kese, white hair, already old hair. Understand? This means he's no in the old age, no? Kesi meaning head hair. Sangvega meaning urgency. Do you have Sangvega? Do you have Sangvega? Sometimes. Okay, now you see that we together combine. Vayappatto, when he grew old, he already is in the old age. So, this was having seen attano paka kese, his own paka kese, understand meaning, no? And sangvega patto, his feeling of sangvega. Because he said, oh, I have no old age, I cannot do anything. It's too much suffering in this life. No, I have so many sickness. I have to give up everything. Now very difficult to do my thing by myself. I have to ask everything from others. Please do this one, this one. This is Sangvega. This means he is still in old age. You understand, no? Like us, no? Okay. Sangvega. There are how many Sangvega? There are 8. No, usually our Lord Buddha means there are 8 kind of Sangvega. Jati. Jati meaning? Jati meaning? Rebirth. Jati. Birth. Jara. Old. Getting old. Vyadi. Chuti. Dead moment. Die. Apaya. Woeful place. Atita Vatta Dukkha. Previous, all sansara dukkha in the previous life. The suffering of the previous life. Appattaka Vatta Dukkha. In the future suffering of the future life. Now how many now? Already 7. Idani ahara gavetti dukkha. Nowadays very difficult to find the ahara. This is one of the Sangvega. Because of the ahara, we are all the time working, no? To find the money, no? To earn the money, no? Without money, we cannot survive our life. We cannot do anything, no? This is one of Sangvega, no? Very hard working, very hard. Maybe 8 hours, 12 hours continuously we have to do. Don't have any off day also. If we are going to take off day, okay. But difficult to get. Why? If you are, sometime we cannot go again this company. Very difficult. This is a 8 Samvega. Everything here for us, no? Okay, next one. Sasana pabbajjang labhitva vipassanang vadditva nachiraseva arahattang papuni. Sasana meaning our Lord Buddha in the Sasana, no? Pabbajja, ordination. Labhitva also having attained. Labhitva having attained. Vaddetva, sorry, vaddetva, vaddetva meaning having increased, no, having practiced also can. Having practiced. Okay, ready? Vaddetva meaning having increased or having practiced. Okay, next one. Nachiraseva, na chiraseva, chirasa eva. After a short time, before long. This means he not spent long time after ordained. Within the short period, short time. During the short period. Papuni, reached or attained. Papuni. Or became also can. Became. Now, sasana pabbajjang labhitva, having obtained ordination under the dispensation of this Buddha in the Buddha Sasana. And vaddetva vipassana, having practiced the vipassana meditation, he attained an arahatship. Before long, he before long or after a short time attained an arahatship. We have to put he before long or after a short time he attained an arahatship. Now this means that person who is the blacksmith in the past life, that monk in the past life, he was a blacksmith, one of the blacksmith. One day he received 2 items from one of his disciples. After that he thought, this one, actually the previous time, nowadays very easy to get the ghee and the rice, no? But previous time, this is a very good, valuable things. After that, he thought, okay, this one I can offer to the Sangha. Then he offered to Sangha. This kusala mind, this merit, helped to him in the nearly dead moment, last moment of his past life. Because of that, he reborn in the wealthy family. But this means after this, the present life was he called good meritorious. But anyway, last moment he became old age. In the old age time, he thought, oh, this is my last moment. I can't do anything. Better I attain the sasana. Then I can practice meditation diligently. Then he attained to the sasana. He ordained in the sasana. After that, he started to practice vipassana meditation. After that, during the short period, before long, he got the arahatship. We also can get, no? But we are all the time offering things for the Sangha. Different kind of items, not only one time, many times. But we are not practice meditation diligently. This is a point. Okay? Because not enough Sangha. Not enough. Still we are enjoying our life. All the time, no? After PMC, everything very good object to enjoy our life. After seeing something, after heard, everything. That's why not enough strong Sangvega. If somebody has a good Sangvega, because of that, he can practice meditation diligently. After practice, he can get the arahatship, at least Sotapatti, in this very life. Okay? May you be well and happy. May you be practice meditation diligently, especially Vipassana method. May you be attain arahatship in this life. Okay. Okay. Is Pali okay? Pali class okay? Not okay. We try to put like this small history every day, to understand the Pali and understand the Dhamma also. Both together. At that time, good energy, no, to come to class, no. Otherwise, no enough energy. Yeah, this is good encouragement. Okay. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sukhi hotu, nibbana paccaya hotu.